Hello everyone, this is Marcos Borja, Product Advisor of Downtown Toyota, part of Downtown Auto Group. Today we will have the full experience driving an electric car in this winter. Right now we are at minus 10, I think, minus 10 degrees, so it's very, very cold. So we will have the full experience and we will go through all the pros and all the cons driving an EV in this crazy weather. We're already inside the B set. Right now we're gonna have like the full experience. We will go through like the streets of Toronto and we will see with this weather that is very, very cold. We will see how much the range drops. Also we will see like the AC, when we turn the AC or the heat, how much the range will drop, and we will have like the full experience with the true facts. And we will go to the streets of Toronto and we will see how the batteries performs. In this car we have like 90% of battery and we are in 401 kilometers range, okay? Right now with the AC, with the heated seats and the steering wheel heat, the range just dropped to 285. So we're gonna keep driving this car and we're gonna see if the range stays like 285 or how much it will drop. So let's go. Okay guys, so welcome to Toronto. Like you see guys, here all behind me is all these cars like covering for the snow. So yeah, we're having like the full experience, driving winter experience with the B set. To be honest, the performance, I feel that it has a lot of torque, has a lot of power. This one is the XLE all-wheel drive. This one has the longest range, and also this one is all-wheel drive. So I feel that it's very, very solid, very, very good. We're gonna go through a little bit more of on other roads and we will see what's gonna happen. But I feel that it runs pretty decent. Right now that I just want to highlight is that with all the heat on, also we are with the heated steering wheel, heated seats as well. Basically the range only dropped like 1 kilometer. Right now we have the range of 281. Before we used to have 92% of battery and right now we have 91. So I think that the condition and everything is doing well, this car. It is pretty awkward, the range. So in the meantime, I don't have no complaints. So we will keep driving this car a little bit more to see like how is the performance of this car. And we go from there. We keep driving this car to see how it works. Okay guys, so right now we're still driving this car. We're almost driving this car for 35 minutes, 40 minutes. The range is still like pretty decent. Right now we are in a range of 269 kilometers with all the heat on, heating seats, heating the steering wheel, everything like to keep us nice and warm. And to be honest, no complaints. Even in the road, the driving experience is very good, very smooth. I think that I have no complaints with this car. And breaking all the myths about the electric cars, like in winter, I think that we have a very solid car for winter. We just need to be prepared of charging and everything, be aware of everything, be aware of the weather, be aware of a couple of things. But if you are a person that you can organize yourself for these situations or for how long you will drive, I don't think that you will have like any problem. As long as you have your car charged like every day, I think that you won't have like any problem. And also take in consideration how long you will drive that day in order to consider your range. But other than that, you will be fine. And take into consideration that also that the normal commute, like the average per person, like from home to work, is around like 60 kilometers or 100 if you live like very far. In worst case scenario, like even in winter with 260 kilometers, I think that you will be fine. You have more than even to do like something extra that you wasn't planning to do. Okay guys, so after driving this car in the streets of Toronto, I can break the myth about the people say that EVs don't work in winter. Actually, I feel this car was doing very well, very solid how it drives. For 40 minutes that I drove it from the streets, on the streets of Toronto, the range didn't drop like too much. It was, I think, like a regular, like a normal car. And actually, I feel that this car is gonna do like very well in winter for the weather conditions here in Canada. So I highly recommend this car. So if you're looking for a B set, this is your car. And please, if you have any questions or just let us know, that we will be very happy to assist you. I'm Marcos Borja, Product Advisor of Downtown Toyota, part of Downtown Auto Group, and see you in the next video.